Okay, I put the chicks back in the house. My brother-in-law had eggs and roosters, and so they needed eggs that was going to hatch as chicks, and they did that in the classroom. So we had them there, and my daughter brought it home, and last year we built this chicken house. Me and my daughter and my son, my wife. It was a big family project, a lot of fun, and we showed it there, and I thought, well, we'll show it off how we managed in the winter here. This water freezes up overnight, so I bring it in at night and fill it up. Let the chickens drink all the water they can. We feed them out here. I put some bales underneath so it would block the wind. One time we had pretty strong cold wind, so we made sure that they could be out of the wind. And they like to get up here and roost and what have you. But I wanted to let you know that this is my daughter's FFA thing that started all this, and we got to learn a lot about chickens, and there's about 4 different hatchings of it from last year and now, and then when them chickens get big enough, I don't know what we'll put them. I don't think we'll put them with these yet because they could mess with them. For those who didn't see the chicken house, I just made it all myself here, and got my daughter to do as much as she possibly can. I've got oat bundles here that we thrashed a couple years ago. We never had time to thrash them, and we're using that. And as you can see, we got some really good hay in this, and I did bale up oat stubble hay. So when I have oat stubble hay, I've got alfalfa and stuff in here. You can see it with the oats, and that. Now this was a whole bundle that was done with our antique binder, and so when I do my oats hay, I usually combine it, but our combine broke down, and we was doing this. I ended up doing the whole works because the binder worked, and then it got really hot in July there. It got like 110 degrees for about a week or two, and I didn't want any kids out helping us. It was just too hot to just load them up on the wagons to thrash. And then it rained, and it rained for a week, and it rained heavy and hard, and so that wasn't too good. But we picked up some bundles when it was good, and I still have them because we never had managed to have time to thrash. I'm hoping that we can thrash this year. Our steam engine was supposedly made in 1919, our Case 40 horse steam engine. It's on our YouTube video on our there, and that was 1919, and that was the year my dad was born. And May the 9th, my dad will be 100 years old. He's no longer with us, but he loved thrashing, and that's how I kind of got into that. And hopefully we can get that going and stuff. I just, Lisa, can you come down this way? And I do have a way of putting this door up. I put a thing up here so it don't fall down on you. And that's kind of using this to bed the chicken. And anyhow, apparently this binder twine's still good. Mike didn't get this. Yeah, you want that? They seem to be excited, don't they?
Yes, they do.
And so anyhow, we just throw a little bit in here, and we let the chickens snatch it out. That's where we pick our eggs up if they're smart enough to put them there. And so it works pretty good. I didn't put all the nests in here because we wasn't intending on having that much on it. So we got a little bit of feed there if we need it, and kind of go with that. Was you able to see in there?
I can.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
I'm going to go ahead and take the
wait, get the strap off my hand.
Camera here so you can see the boxes. You guys want to go in? We're revolving doors. So forgive me, we're moving this camera around. That's where we keep extra feed. And we got this little water in here that he froze today. So we're lucky to have that. That's their perch. And we put that in there like that. I probably would do something different on making the doors because the weather kind of warped, so I got to hit it like that. So, okay, you chickens, you gonna behave? So here, Lisa, I'll have you turn that off for a second.